I'm glad to announce that with the return of GBA for iOS being really soon, I think, that Pokemon Red and Yellow will come back. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Oh my god, they're coming out for the 3DS. I understand that, and I know that, and that's amazing, honestly. Let's talk some Nintendo Direct. I know I'm a little late, I'm like a day or two late for this, but let's talk some Nintendo Direct. I Cloud Strife, I think his name is, being in that game is pretty cool. I think personally, some people are going, oh, why are you putting it in the game? I mean, I guess I can see some people's standpoint of. Oh, okay, I think I see what I gotta do now. In case you missed in this cover video, I'm doing an all-day Mario Kart marathon on this channel. I was thinking, just a warning, this is my YouTube channel. If you don't like it, oh well, no. I'm kidding. I'm very thankful for everybody who subscribes and enjoys my content. And I hope to be making more content. Now, will this channel ever have Halo on it? That's a good question. I ask myself that question a lot too. I guess it would all depend if I get an Xbox. Um, you know, is Halo out of the realm of possibility? No. Is it one of my personal favorite franchises? Again, that's a no. Well, okay. It's not a bad franchise. I will give it that. I do like the way they are made. Except that I do also agree that Halo 5 and 4 were kind of on the weaker side. I mean, you don't have to agree with me. That's just my personal opinion. I have been told many things about Halo 5, so, correct me if I'm wrong. If you guys think it's an amazing game, you guys think it's an amazing game. Just from what I've heard, it was a little on the weaker side of things. I don't know if I've ever told you this, but this is the first I've ever gotten in this game. Because I used to have a copy of this game, but it wouldn't work. So I bought it out, bought a new copy. Ouch. That hurt. I don't have those gravity boots. That's right. That is correct. Okay. Besides that. Yeah? Okay. Awesome. Awesome. You know? Just like these games are awesome. Awesome. I personally love the Ratchet and Clank franchise. Really, Sony has not made a weak franchise. Only strong. There we go. You know, personally, I don't think Sony makes weak franchises. I think they get it gold with Uncharted, which is meeting its uh, final game, coming with a Thieves End this in 2016. What am I supposed to do? No. Uh, can. Oh, return to ship. But no, I personally enjoy these games. Uncharted, I hadn't played through a lot of. Actually, we're going to do a video series of it here soon. In the future! Here, future actually. Got another. Okay. There's the Starship Phoenix. That will fly there and we'll be ready for the next episode of Ratchet and Clank. Excuse me. So, tomorrow join me on my gaming channel for the Mario Kart Marathon. And please leave a comment and subscribe for more. Bye.